Good day, my name is Emelone Tochukwu Edwin. With the fast rise of agropreneurs in this continent, the role of information cannot be underestimated. This is how. How about regular consulting with most of the farmers at the various cooperative societies? Information will be dispersed. How about working hands in glove with Nigerian Ministry of Agriculture e-wallet scheme program? Millions of registered Nigerian farmers will be well informed on a daily basis, even while on their farms. When farmers aggregate to sell their produce to middlemen, huge information is being dispersed. Agriculture in this continent runs as a profession. It doesn't need first-class education for you to excel in it, but basic practical sessions from cradle to adolescence, and then right information. With right information and good communication channel, farmers sow healthy seeds and harvest better yields. Families have good food to eat. Farmers make the best use of the effect of climate change on weather patterns in our continent. We will recycle most of our waste produce and improve our soil fertility. Urban agriculture will be greatly employed to tackle rising food prices in our cities, and in all will make our environment a sustainable one. Let us join hands together to stamp hunger out of our continent, and as the African ambassador for 2016, I will bring more information closer to the farmers. Please choose me. Once again, my name is Emelone Tochukwu Edwin. Thank you.